Hello everyone, or as a very good friend of mine says, hola mi gente. I hope we are all doing well, and welcome to my channel if you're new. And yeah, let's get started with another new easy recipe. Today I will make a salmon teriyaki with some steamed asparagus and baby potatoes. So I will start with my potatoes and my asparagus. I will turn the fire on in a medium-sized pot. I add some water and I'll add some more, and on top I will add my potatoes. You don't have to have a steamer. This is a very easy way to steam your vegetables or your fish or whatever you want to steam. Just put the lid on top and let it steam. You can check occasionally when your potatoes are soft. I peel them off. I use baby potatoes. I peel them off, I wash them very well, and I add them in my pot. Now for my asparagus, I will chop off the very end and I will throw it away because we don't need that. Then I will cut them in half. I will place them in that plate here because I want to give them a good wash. And as they don't need so much cooking, I will add them in the same pot on top of the potatoes a few minutes before my potatoes are done. I always cut the ends off because they are really hard and you can't really eat them. So this is what we got. We wash them very well, and I will leave them aside till the water here is ready. So we are ready now to prepare the sauce for our salmon. We're gonna need 2 big tablespoons of honey, organic honey, but big ones, be generous. A little bit of gluten-free flour, soya sauce, a little bit of water, teriyaki sauce, half of that lemon, we need just the juice. Here I have 4 garlic cloves, ginger, fresh ginger, I grounded it, and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. We mix it all together. So let's start it. First I add my soya sauce, my water, my teriyaki sauce, the ginger, this amount of ginger, but again it's up to you how strong you want the flavor of it. I know some people, they don't like it. You can skip adding the ginger, garlic, chili flakes, the flour, the lemon juice, and give it a good stir till they are all combined. It might feel sticky at the beginning, but be patient, it will be fine after 2 minutes. Now, in a small tray, I would spray it with sunflower oil, which has very few calories. I washed my salmon very well, and I'm gonna place it in that tray. And I will add on top the sauce we prepared. So, it smells so good. Don't worry, it might look too much or a lot. Lift up a little bit the salmon so it goes under as well. I preheated my oven at 180 degrees, and I will add it in now for about 15-20 minutes roughly. I will check. I'm gonna continue with my potatoes and my asparagus. Oops, sorry about that. I'm trying my best to... Okay, here we are. Let's check our potatoes. They're still a bit hard, but almost done. So we are ready to place our asparagus on top. Maybe for 5-10 more minutes, and everything is going to be ready. And we're going to cover it again. And I will set my alarm for my salmon for 15-20 minutes. I will put, and I will keep my eyes on the oven just in case. Here we are, and I will cut a little bit of spring onions to drizzle on top of my salmon when it's ready. So, just few. I always cut the bottom part like this, and I put it in a small jar with a little bit of water, and it continues growing. So I never use it all. So it's like I recycle the onion. You can do it as well. You buy once and you can have again and again and again. Use a pot in your garden or just in your kitchen with some soil. I will, as soon as you see this part growing, just take it out from the jar with the water and place it into the soil, and it's gonna grow. So I'm gonna cut some small pieces of spring onion to drizzle on top. So 20 minutes later, salmon is ready. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Look at that. Just look at that. So good. I will let it cool down a little bit before I serve. And our veggies are also steamed, they are ready. asparagus and the baked potatoes. So I will serve and I will show you the reveal, the final picture in a bit. Okay guys, now we are ready to serve. Let's do it. Let's do it. And I'm gonna add the veggies, some potatoes, and asparagus. This is so healthy, this dish. So good for you. You have to try it. And it tastes so good. I wish you were here and you could smell it. So, and I will drizzle a little bit of sauce on top. So, and here we are. Enjoy!